In this video, I'll explain a common question many developers encounter. What's the difference between using lowercase string and uppercase string in C#? First, let's understand the basics. In C#, both string and string actually represent the same type, the .NET type called system string. This means there is no functional difference between these two words in your C# programs. Let's look at an example. Here I've created two variables. One uses lowercase string and the other uses uppercase string. When we run this application, we see it works exactly the same way. So technically, they are interchangeable in terms of functionality. However, in practical programming, consistency and readability matter. The lowercase string is considered best practice because it's recognized as a C# language keyword. Meanwhile, the uppercase string directly refers to the .NET System string class, making it slightly less common. In this second example, you can clearly see how the use of lowercase string makes the code look more familiar and readable, especially when dealing with other common C# keywords like int, bool, and double. So, here's the takeaway. While there's no functional difference, it's best practice to stick with lowercase string in your everyday coding. This ensures consistency and aligns your code with standard conventions in the C# community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.